Thank you all for coming. I want to offer a special thanks to my good friend and colleague, Dr. Jaeger, Interim Dean of the College of Science and Mathematics, Dr. Andrew Lawson, Dean Jody Hironaka-Juto, who's been integral in developing the relationship and enhancing the relationship at Valley Children's and Fresno State, and most especially the Executive Director of the Behavioral Sciences Institute, Timothy Jaeger, who is also here this morning. Additionally, I want to welcome Provost Zalesny here to join us this morning from Fresno State. And last and certainly not least, a great friend of Valley Children's and Fresno State, Assemblyman Jim Patterson. And thank you. As many of you, if not all of you know, Valley Children's has been here for local families for over 6 decades. And we plan to be here and guarantee to be here for at least that many decades into the future. And as we see the future, we have recognized over these past several years, and decades in fact, with all the challenges ahead of us in serving the communities that are part of the Valley, that more and more we will need to partner to provide care and to make a difference in the lives of children, especially to improve the health and well-being of children, which is what our mission directs us to do at Valley Children's. Back in April, we announced this exciting new enhancement to our partnership with Fresno State. As you all know, Fresno State and Valley Children's are both well-focused on young people and their well-being, their learning, and their health. And through our discussions and that enhanced partnership that I described, we have come together to address growing needs in our communities, not just here in our communities, obviously, but nationwide. Autism rates are rising. And together, our two organizations can help more families that need our support. And as a result, we now will have the Fresno State Autism Center at Valley Children's. I want to invite all of you to take a look in just a few minutes, but this is truly an amazing day for Valley Children's. We're very, very pleased to be partnering with Fresno State, and it's so special to be able to come together as two organizations and help kids, especially this population that, as I've said, is on the rise. And so if you would, please now join me in welcoming Dr. Castro to the podium.
Valley Children's Hospital, as you know, has been a pillar in our community for more than 60 years, providing high-quality, comprehensive medical services to children, regardless of their ability to pay. My own young child, Jess, has received quality services here, and I'm very grateful as a parent that Valley Children's Hospital is here to serve the entire Valley. On behalf of Fresno State, on behalf of our provost, my wife, Mary, and all the other folks who are here today, we're so excited about this new partnership with Valley Children's Hospital. We believe that the synergy that can result from two fast, forward-thinking and bold organizations addressing the rising rates of autism in the Central Valley head-on is a great thing. And we're very proud of the partnership that we have with Valley Children's Hospital and the opportunities that it will provide for our students, our faculty, and the resource it will be for the community. Through the space provided to us here at Valley Children's Hospital, we will be able to expand the services that we provide to the community by offering services to an additional 16 children. We'll also be able to further strengthen the training of our students and post-baccalaureate certificates. And you'll see our very talented students right behind me. And another one of our students, Time Out, who's with me today. Thank you, Time Out, for being here. And I love the giraffe, too. Thank you. And third and finally, this will provide new opportunities for faculty research. Fresno State is being bold in our efforts to support children with autism spectrum disorder in our region. As Todd said, the rates of autism are rising. In 2002, 1 out of every 150 children were diagnosed with autism. Currently, 1 out of every 68 children are diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder. As a service of our College of Science and Mathematics, the Autism Center at Fresno State utilizes the principles of behavior analysis to address this rising concern. Over 30 years of research has demonstrated the efficacy of applied behavior analysis for children with autism in increasing communication, learning, and appropriate social behavior while decreasing inappropriate behavior. Autism Center at Fresno State strives to be a leader in the field of early, intense behavioral intervention through training, research, and service. And the center serves children with autism ages 18 months to 5 years, between 15 and 30 hours of treatment per week, while training over 50 Fresno State students. Finally, I want to again thank Valley Children's Hospital for their sincere commitment to be a partner with us in serving the Valley. As Todd and I said earlier today, this is just the beginning. We have lots of big plans ahead to further strengthen our support for young people and families throughout the Valley. I'm now honored to introduce Tim Jaeger, who's our Executive Director, the leader of this incredible institute, the Behavioral Sciences Institute and Autism Center at Fresno State. Thank you so much.
Like Todd and the President said, the rising rates of autism are starting to have tremendous effects on our community. Autism knows no bounds with respect to socioeconomic class or ethnicity. We see rates of autism across all of our community, and the impact that it has is profound. Behavior analysis is the science in which we ground our service and our interventions with these kids, and it's the science in which our students study as well. And opportunities like here at Valley Children's, as well as our campus center, provide a unique opportunity to our students to where we can both teach them in the classroom and train them in the application of what they're learning. The impact is seen with the kids that we serve, as well as the kids they will serve in the future as they become leaders in this community. I want to acknowledge the employees that we have behind us. This is a great team of staff, of students who work every single day with clients who can be difficult and as well as rewarding. And they make a change in the lives of these kids every single day. As we move forward and as these rates of autism rise, the need of services is evident. And the need to expand the services that we have is clear, as well as the training that we have to further support organizations that are already providing these services. One issue that's always a concern of us is access to services and having equal access to all individuals, regardless of their ability to pay, regardless of their ability to provide transportation to this facility. And so we're looking at ways of further partnering with the community to reach those needs of all children across our valley. And I want to thank you everyone for coming here. We're going to give tours of the facility, and any questions you may have, feel free to direct them my way. Thank you guys. And Todd.
Thank you all again for coming. Special thank you to Tim and Dr. Castro. And now it's time to officially open the Fresno State Autism Center at Valley Children's, and we'll be having the ribbon cutting with timeout and George right here, as I understand it, in front of the podium. So
here we go. 1, 2, 3.